5 things that will help you to increase blood flow to your penis. If you want your penis to be a long one, or if you want to maintain a long erection, there are 5 things that you need to do as a man to have a long erection and also have an increased blood flow to your penis. Number one thing you should do is that you should adjust your eating habits. You as a man, you don't have to be eating all the time. Every time, whenever food comes, that is when it gets into your throat or it gets into your stomach. You need to have a scheduled time where you tolerate food, where you have to let food into your stomach. You don't just have to be eating before you know you get obese or you get overweight. All of these things are something that you should consider. So if you want to have an increase in your erection as a man, you need to adjust your eating habits. Then number 2 is for you to maintain a healthy weight. You can't be a man and put on a lot more of weight. What are you using them for? You see a man with abdominal or belly fat. All of these are bad signs of a good health. So if you are a man, you need to maintain a healthy weight in order for you to have a lot of blood flow to your joystick or to your penis. So if you don't maintain this healthy weight, there is no way you are going to have a last longing erection. So you have to make sure you maintain a healthy weight. Then 3, you need to practice regular exercise routine. You make sure exercise should be paramount, should be the most dominant activity you should do. There are certain exercises you can be doing, engage in Kegel exercise that can help you every time you need to have sex. You engage in them, make sure you practice your Kegel exercise, your pelvic muscle exercise regularly, both in the morning and in the night before you sleep. Once you continue this, or once you start this as a man, you are going to see a lot of changes. You are going to see an increase in the size of your penis. Then number 4 is for you to look at your alcohol and nicotine consumption. You as a man, alcohol, we've always been telling you it is not good for you, not just for other health conditions, also for the health of your penis, for the health of your sexuality, for the health of your reproductive life. You need to quit alcohol. Alcohol is not something that is nice for you as a man, because as we all know, or I'm going to tell you what it does to your body. When you take alcohol, it has ability for it to make your blood vessel constrict. It constricts your blood vessels and do not allow your blood vessels to dilate and allow passage of blood flow. And that is how it restricts blood flow to your penis in order for it to sustain erection. So if you're a man, you take alcohol, you need to quit that. It is not good for consumption. And lastly, you should make sure you also limit your exposure to any source of stress. If you're a man, you do not need to stress yourself in anything. You need to have this free stressor. If there's anything bothering you aside not having sex, you shouldn't go about it, because sex, we've seen it in researches that it helps you to relieve stress and anxiety. So make sure as a man you limit yourself of exposure to any stressor that can lead to blockage, or that can lead to the decrease in the supply of blood to your penis, in order for you to maintain a long erection and also increase blood flow to your penis. And if you see, when you practice this, it is going to help you in your overall reproductive life and your sex life. Till we meet again in our next video, this is just a snippet on what to do. I'm going to elaborate more on how you can do this naturally and some other ways that can help you increase or improve the flow of blood to your penis and increase your erection for a last longing time in bed. Till we meet again in our next video, don't forget to like, share and comment your question under the comment box. Thank you.